Good morning, Mohammed. Beta, send the link in the group and tell everyone to join beta fast. First question, Anush, good morning, beta. First question for today. Question is 3 resistors of 5 ohm, 3 resistors of 5 ohm, 8 ohm and 11 ohm, 5 ohm, 8 ohm and 11 ohm respectively are connected in series. Are connected in series respectively are connected. Watson, good morning. Beta Kamya, good morning. Are connected in series to a battery of 24 volt. Okay, draw the circuit diagram and calculate. Draw the circuit diagram and calculate. Now they are telling to draw the circuit diagram, and after that what they are asking to calculate, beta, they are exactly asking to calculate Can you send the link in the group, beta, and tell everyone to join? Okay, draw the circuit diagram and calculate the current drawn from the battery. First you have to calculate current drawn from the battery. First thing, current drawn from the battery. This is first thing. Second part, what they are saying that current drawn from the battery, very good, Kamya, 1 ampere. After that, beta, they are telling that the potential difference at the end of each resistor. The potential difference at the end of each resistor. The potential difference at the end of each resistor means these are the two things you have to do. First work is you have to exactly find. First one is current drawn from the battery. How much amount of current is drawn from the battery? This is the first work you have to do. Second is the potential difference at the end of each resistor. Second part is potential difference at the end of each resistor. So this is second thing. Come on, solve this question out. Easy question. First is you have to draw the circuit, because the circuit drawing is very easy. Very good, Kamya. 5 volt, 8 volt and 11 volt. 5 volt, 11 volt and 8 volt. Let's check this one out. First one. Second one, third one. Fine. So now it is going to come as 5 volt, 5 ohm, 8 ohm, 11 ohm, and this is coming as 24 volt given. Now what is the total amount? So first all the connections are exactly coming in series. So since the connections are coming 5, 11, 5, 8 and 11, absolutely correct. Now first work is beta, it is all connected in series. So first we will get the overall resistance. Overall resistance will be coming as first resistance plus second resistance plus third resistance. As all are connected in series, it will become 5 plus 8 plus 11. So it is going to be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 23. 23 ohm is coming. 24 ohm will be coming now, because 8 plus 5 will be exactly going to be 13. 13 plus 11 will be 24 ohm. So once we got 24 ohm, now we know that V is equal to IR. So overall V is coming as 24. I into 24. Cancel, I is coming as 1 ampere. So once I is coming as 1 ampere, and we know that in series the amount of current flowing is same. In series the amount of, since in series connection, amount of current flowing remains same. In series connection, amount of current flows remains same. Amount of current flowing is remaining same. So what we have to do? First one we have to check V is equal to IR. So now first V1 we are going to check. Resistance is coming as 5. So V is 24. And amount of current is 1. We have to find V only now. So it will become 5 into 1. So 5 volts. Second one, V2 equal to IR2. So it is very easy now. It will become 8 into 1. So 8 volts. And V3 will be equal to 11 volts. Directly we will write V1, V2, V3. We'll go for some tough questions, please. Now look here. Next question, let's see. The question is telling that question is 2 bulb of 100 watt each. 2 bulbs of 100 watt each. 100 watt each, and 2 coolers of 250 watt, and 2 coolers COOLERS of 250 watt each. So 2 bulbs of 100 watt each and 2 coolers of 250 watts each work on the average on the average of 6 hours. On the average of 6 hours. On the average of 6 hours a day. If the energy cost rupees 3.75 rupees per kilowatt hour, 3.75 rupees per kilowatt hour, calculate the monthly bill. Calculate the monthly bill. Now solve this question. Calculate the monthly bill. Now here you have to calculate the monthly bill. Now check this one out. How much exactly appliances are working? First is 2 bulb of 100 watt each and 2 cooler of 250 watt each. Work on an average of 6 hours a day. What is the energy cost this, and calculate the monthly bill. So monthly means roughly we are going to take 30 days. Roughly we are going to take 30 days. What will be the monthly one? What is the answer coming? Check this one out, beta. Check this one out. Question is very good. Now solve this question. Solve this question. Big work you don't have to do in this question. This question is totally based on concept. If you are knowing the concept, you will be able to solve the question in no time. It's easy only. Let's see what answer you are getting. Try this question out. Then we'll go for next level question. Like this questions are asking in examination, so only I am giving you this question. 2 bulb of 100 watt each and 2 cooler of 250 watt each work on an average of 6 hours a day. Average 6 hours a day working. If the energy cost is 3 rupees 75 paise per kilowatt hour, calculate the monthly bill. Energy cost is 3 rupees 75 paise per kilowatt hour. Very good, Akshaya. 472.5. 472.5. Akshaya is telling answer is 472.5. Rest other everyone is sleeping now. Very nice. Let them sleep. Now look here, beta. First what we are going to do is we will check the power of 2 bulbs. Okay. So now power of 2 bulbs means what, beta? Now one bulb is using 100 watt. One bulb utilization is 100 watt. 2 bulb will be exactly using 200 watt. Okay, so what is the power of 2 bulbs? The power of 2 bulbs will become 200 watt. So once we got 200 watt, now the next part is what we are going to do is we are just going to check that one day how much it is. So now total 200 watt. Now one cooler is exactly using 250 watt. So 2 cooler will use 250 into 2, 500 watt. So total power consumption, total power is coming as 700 watt. Now 700 watt is the power coming, total power is 700 watt. So once total power is coming as 700 watt, so in one day how much it will be? In one day 6 hours, that is 700 into 6, in 30 days it will become 700 into 6 into 30. Check this one out. 6 sevens are 42. 0 0 into 30. It is coming 0 0 0. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. This much watt hour. We will convert it into kilowatt hour. So 126000. It is coming by this much. Am I doing correct? Kilowatt hour, 126 kilowatt hour is coming. Once it is coming 126 kilowatt hour, absolutely correct, Kamya. Once you got 126 kilowatt hour, beta, I just did nothing. One bulb 100 watt, 2 bulb 200 watt, one cooler 250 watt, 2 cooler 500 watt. One day 6 hours. So one day 6 hour means 6 hour it is using. So 6 into this much. And then 360 days means 30 days. 30 days means 30 into 700 into 6 is coming. So that is this much kilowatt hour coming. So what is the 1 unit cost is this much kilowatt hour. So total power consumption is, total energy consumption we can say, energy consumption, because energy consumption they are asking. So energy consumption, total energy consumption is 126 kilowatt hour. Now cost per unit. Cost for 1 unit is, what is the cost for 1 unit? 1 unit cost is, 1 unit cost is 3 rupees 75 paise. And then 126. 375, 126, 65, 33, 67, 42, 40, 44, 45, 4, 6, 3, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 1 15, 2 3s are 6, 1 7, 5 7, 3. Let's check my calculation is correct or wrong. 7 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 472. It is coming rupees 472.50. Yes, correct answer. So those Logita, good morning beta. Answer is coming as 472 rupees 50 paise. So now we are going to go for next question. I am requesting my children that yesterday na we have done those numericals na. Please send the numericals in group beta so that everyone can get those numericals. Now next question is, Now one particular question is there, means very simple question, and it will not be coming for very high mark, very less mark only, but this type of questions you must practice. An electric oven is marked, an electric oven is marked 1000 watt 200 volt. Calculate 1000 watt 200 volt, calculate resistance of its element, the resistance of its element. First you have to find the resistance. Second, energy consumed in half an hour in joules. Energy consumed in half an hour in joules. Third, the time in which it will consume the time in which it will consume 15 kilowatt hour of energy. 15 kilowatt hour of energy. Easy. Come on, try this question out. Try this question out, beta. This question is not tough, huh? This question is not tough. Only it need your assistance. It need your assistance, beta. Go for it. This question is not tough. You can do it. Try this question out, beta. Any value resistance first find. First find resistance. Check what is the resistance coming. Kavya, V Kavya, good morning beta. Check what is the resistance coming here first. Check the resistance. Check the resistance. Forty ohm, absolutely correct. Resistance is coming 40 ohm, absolute correct. Resistance is 40 ohm, absolute correct. After that, beta, energy consumed in half an hour in joule. So only one thing is that you have to convert that in joule. You have to convert that in joule. Only one thing, you have to convert that in joule. $400 ohm, 300 joule, 150 hour. No. Check one more time, beta. Check one more time. Now look here. First, we know one formula now. The formula is, what is power given here? Power given here is 1000 watt. Okay. Now what and all things are given? First, we are going to check. Power given is 1000 watt. Potential difference V is coming as 200 volt. Now we have to find. So now we know one formula. P is equal to V square by R. So what is V? V is 200 into 200. Okay. And power we are going to shift down so that we can get power. So here it will become, resistance will be equal to V square by P. So that is what? So power is 1000. So these two zeros cancel. So it is coming as 40 ohm. So now power is coming as how much? Oh, you took 100 watts, so only answer is coming like this. No problem, beta. So after that, what you have to do is energy consumed in half an hour in joule. So now first is energy consumption in half an hour. Half an hour means how much? Half an hour. Energy consumption in half an hour. You know that energy consumption is how much power into time. Okay, energy consumption should come power into time. So if I am doing energy consumption power into time, so 1 hour means directly power is coming as 1000, and here time is half an hour. Half an hour, so it is exactly going to be 500 kilowatt hour. Okay, watt hour, because power is given in watt. Power is given in watt, so it will become watt hour. Okay, so now but they are telling to convert it in joules. What hour is there? Now how much we are just going to convert it? How we are going to convert? What hour is there? So once watt hour will be there, so 1.8 absolutely beta. 1.8 into 10 to the power 6. 1.8 into 10 to the power 6, because our part only we have to convert just what you call what is correct only. So 500 into 60 into 60. Okay, so it is exactly going to come 5 6 30 36 0 6 3 is 18, 180 is coming. So 5 6 30 36 180 180 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 joule. So total how many zeros are coming? Total 5 zeros joule will come. Total 5 zeros joule will come. So it is exactly going to come as last class itself I taught you this method now. So now it is coming as how much beta? It is coming as 1 8 1 2 3 4 5. So but when we are putting decimal, it will become this into 6 joules. Okay, 1.6 into that means joules will be coming. And after writing this one, now they are telling that how much hour it is going to take. So now already we know the formula. Energy consumed is 500 watt hour. So now hour we have to find. Power is already given. Hour we got this much. Power is, this is for half an hour. Now we don't know time. Energy consumed in half an hour is this much. Now they have given energy consumption in 15 kilowatt hour. So 15 kilowatt hour energy is consumed when power is working for 1000 watt, and we have to find time. So first work is we will convert them into watt hour. So 1 2 3 equal to 1000 into time. So this 3 zeros and this part will get cancelled. So time is coming as this much by 1000. Cancel. Time is coming as this much hour. 15 hours. So time is exactly coming as today class is there, auntie. Yes, evening it is there beta. I am going to send the timing. Power is coming as how much? 440, 430 most probably I am going to start. So it is coming as 315. So it is coming as 15 hour is the answer. 15 hour is the answer. 430 keep it. We'll start 430. Okay. Now next question, right? Now write a question. Question is, write a question. An electric heater draws a current of an electric heater draws a current of 5 ampere. An electric heater draws a current of 5 ampere. Offline, Kavya. And its element has a resistance of and its element has a resistance of 50 ohm. Yesterday's Kavya numericals question, please tell them to send, give you. If the heater is switched on for 5 minutes, if the heater is switched on for 5 minutes, if the heater is switched on for 5 minutes, calculate energy released by heater in kilojoules. Calculate energy released by heater in kilojoules. Calculate energy released by heater in kilojoules. Now send in the group itself, beta. Send in the group itself, so that anyone who has exactly missed it, they will be able to get it. Now do this question, beta. What is the answer coming? $375 kilojoule. As Kamya has given the answer, 375 kilojoule. Very good, Kamya. Super, beta. Formula is very tough. You know, work done will be equal to I square RT. Heating effect, na? H is equal to I square RT. That formula means basic. That formula we can use. So electric ampere, I will be exactly how much? I is 5 ampere. The amount of current is exactly used is 5 ampere. Element has a resistance. Resistance given is 50 ohm. Now next heater, and if the heater is switched on for 5 minutes. So time is given as 5 minutes. First kindly convert minute into second. So it will become 5 into 60. So now 300 seconds. Why I converted into seconds? Because answer they are telling that kilojoule. So since they are asking answer in kilojoule, absolutely correct, Logita. Since they are asking answer in kilojoule, so it will become 300 seconds. So only I converted into second. Now we know calculate the energy released by heater. So energy released means how much energy will be released, that much work will be done. So here directly the work part will be coming. That is I square RT. Okay, I is 5. So 5 into 5. Resistance is 50, time is 300. So it is exactly going to come 5, 5, 25, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 3, 3, 5, 15, 3, 2, 6, 1, 7, 375, 375, 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay, but 375 joule second it is there. And kilojoule is a bigger unit. So once joule will be writing, no need to write second. What second will be kilojoule? What second will be kilojoule? So directly I wrote there. Second will not be there. So that is the answer. Shall we go for the next question, please? The next question is, in the given heat energy work all are same, aunty. Yes beta, because amount of energy used is exactly work done. How much energy will be given, that much energy will be exactly getting converted into heat beta. So work is done, how much work is done, how much energy, and what is exactly the heating, all three will be exactly replicating each other. There will be some loss of energy in the system, okay, but you don't have to consider that loss of energy. You only have to find that work. You only have to find that work. Okay, fine. I'll give. Don't worry, I'll give that. Environment is very important chapter. Okay. I thought electricity and magnetism is very important chapter. Now write this question. In the given figure, so one ammeter is given to you. No problem, Kavya. I'll give that. and here K is there. Now what is given in the question is a cell ammeter, everything is exactly there. The ammeter shows a current of, this is exactly there, okay. All the resistors are similar. Now in this question, all the resistors are similar. All are same. All the resistors are similar. What is given in the question? All resistors are similar. Ammeter is showing 1.2 ampere of current. 1.2 ampere of current. Okay. The ammeter shows a current of 1.2 ampere when switch K is open. When switch K is open. So when switch K is open, then ammeter is showing a recording of 1.2 ampere. But what will be ammeter recording when switch K is closed? What will be ammeter recording? General type of question. Okay, I'll teach that beta, don't worry. I thought electricity and magnetism will be important for all of you, and it will be coming like every time physics part is coming difficult now. So only I started dealing with numericals. Okay, today environment, no problem beta. If that time we will not do, then that time we will do environment. Evening also live stream class I'll take and I'll teach that. Don't worry. Percentage rule is 10% rule only. Only 1% loss will be there. 10,000 joule means it will become 1000, then it will become 100, then it will become 10. Like that only. And how much? Only 4, 5 will be there. 1.8 ampere. Absolute Kamya. That was very, very fast. That was very, very fast. Super. So first, what is the resistance coming, beta? What is the resistance coming? Resistance, each resistance, how much each resistance is coming? Magnetism questions also very important for you. So only beta I was trying to cover it up. It is coming as 0.6 ampere. 0.6 ampere. Resistance how much is coming beta? Zero 0.8 ampere. Why this difference is coming? Check one time again. Okay, Kamya, resistance is coming for each 0.8. Okay, current flow will be different now. What they are asking in the question that, okay, what will be the ammeter recording in the switch is closed? Ammeter recording will be only one. Ammeter recording will be only one. Since the ammeter is connected to all, means overall ammeter recording we have to find beta. Overall ammeter recording we have to find. So one work we are going to do is कि when the switch is open, then only 2 resistors will be active. Now look here, first see this figure, then we will understand. Ki see, when this switch key will be open, then the current will 100% go from here, the current will go from here, current will go from here, and current will exactly go like this. So beta, this part will be open, so current will not flow here. So your analysis is absolutely correct. That time it will become 1 by R plus 1 by R. So because resistance is same, so overall resistance of, we are going to find that क्योंकि overall resistance RP resistance in parallel is coming, so we can write 2 by R. It is coming as 1 by RP. That means resistance in parallel is coming as R by 2. Resistance is in parallel will be coming as 1 by 2. Okay, it is coming as 1.8. Absolutely correct, Kamya. Now look here, beta. Okay, I understood, beta. What when you said, na, I understood. So now look here. Now V is equal to IR will be coming. Now what is potential? They have not given, so we are going to keep potential same. But beta, current that time when these two, when the current will be flowing through this two resistor and third resistor was inactive because switch was open. So that time V will be equal to IR. That current was 1.2 and resistance in parallel was exactly R by 2. So it is coming as 0.6. So resistance is coming as this part is coming as 0.6. 0.6. So R is coming as, R will be equal to V by 0.6 ohm. So each resistor is coming as V by 0.6 ohm. Each resistor is coming as 0.6 ohm. Okay. Now how many are there, beta? How many resistors are there? 3 resistors are connected in parallel. 3 resistors are connected in parallel. So all the 3 resistors connected in parallel, every time it will become V by 0.6 plus 1 by V by 0.6 plus 1 by V by 0.6. All will be connected in parallel. All the overall resistance means it is connected in parallel. Since everything is connected in parallel, so first thing is that base is same. So it will become 3 by V by 0.6 resistance, equivalent resistance. So it will become 3 into 0.6 by V. It is coming as 1 by equivalent resistance. So now overall resistance will be coming as V by 3 into 0.6. Okay. So now we know formula V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR, beta. So now formula is V is equal to IR. So now V will be the same because overall V we are going to take. Now R is coming as V by 1.8 and current we have to find. So this V into 1.8 by V is equal to amount of current. So this cancel. So I will be equal to 1.8 volt, ampere. 1.8 ampere. Your analysis is absolutely correct. Analysis is bang on and 3 resistors are coming as beta. Overall resistors, absolute answer. Super. Who has given the answer first? Kamya has given, then Kavya. Okay, Kavya is talking. Yes, Kavya, magnetism 100% I will teach beta. Each resistor 0.6 ampere. Absolutely beta, and it is said fine. Correct only. But each resistor 0.6 ampere will not be the correct answer because we cannot say that 0.6 ampere will be there because in parallel connection amount of if resistor is same, okay, resistors are same na, then we can say here. But if resistors will not be same, if the resistance of the resistor will not be same, then current drawn will be different. Because in parallel connection beta, the current will be distributed. In parallel connection, we know that potential difference remains the same. In parallel connection, potential difference remains the same, and what varies is amount of current flowing through the resistor. I1, I2, I3. So what will be the resistance? Accordingly, beta amount of current will be there. But since resistance of all the 3 are same, so 0.6 ampere can come as answer. So your analysis is absolutely correct. Absolutely. I told na ki what you wrote is absolutely correct. So now look here, beta. I will go for next question. Now we will go for next part, beta. Next part question is. Okay, it is coming as 1.5 ohm, 1.5 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 3 ohm. each 2 ohm you have to find resistance between AB solve this question beta. So we know what we have to do. All the series convert it into parallel. This question I am giving you to solve because I am getting short of time. 1.5 will become 3 ohm. Resolve it. 3 ohm, 4 ohm, 4 ohm, and this one will become 6 ohm. 6 ohm. And then here it will become 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. 4 ohm, 4 ohm and 4 ohm. Now here these two are exactly connected in parallel. So parallel 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This will become converted 1 by 2, 1 by 2 will 2 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 since it is connected in parallel, so 2 by 2. So 1 ohm. Here it will come 2 by 1 by 1.5, 1 by 1.5, so it will become 2 by 1.5. So 20 by 15, 5 3 is a 5 4 is a 20, 5 3 is a 3 by 4. So it is coming as 3 by 4 ohm, 3 by 4 ohm, and this one will become 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, so 2, 2. So it is going to be 2 plus 1, 3 by 4, that is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 ohm. Now after this beta only this part you have to do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 means here it is coming 1, 3 by 4, 4 by 3. 1, 3 by 4, 4 by 3. Now look here beta. This is all connected in parallel. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6. So take 3, 4, 6 LCM. 3, 4, 3 2 is 6. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. 4 plus 3 plus 2. It is coming 7. 4 plus 7, 9 by 12. That is 12 by 9. 12 by 9 is coming. 12 by 9 means what? 12 by 9 will be coming as 3 4s are 12, 4 by 3. So this part is also coming as 4 by 3. Now final revision 4 by 3, this one, and 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is 3 by 4, it will become 4 by 3. Again it will become 4 by 3 ohm. And here down it is coming as 1 ohm. Here it is 3 by 4 ohm. And here it is 4 by 3 ohm. Now AF only you have to find. So now since they both are connected in series, so it will become 8 by 3 ohm. All are connected in series. So 1 plus 4 by 3, 3 by 4, 12, 12 plus 3 4s are 12, 4 4 16, 4 4 16, 3 3 9. So 16 9, that is 28, 9 8 8 16 37. So 12 by 37. So now it is going to come as 12 by 37 ohm. So now only one work, 1 by 8 by 3 plus 1 by 12 by 37. Only you have to solve this one. Okay, only you have to solve this one. Beta, solve and send me the answer because I am getting late. I am having school today. Fine. Bye everyone. I am getting so much late today. Bye bye bye. This answer only you just solve and send me the answer.